Alright, to the general guys. So it's whatever Wednesday, and whatever Wednesday we're doing something we've been keeping from y'all for a while now. So we are in the process of throwing Jacob's new instrument cluster in. The what is it, 05 to 08's had a lot of issues with the instrument clusters cutting out. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw you up on the pod, on the tripod here, and y'all just kind of follow along with us. So we'll get this thing done as quick as we can. We got a lot of work to do today. While you're putting tools up, how bad was that?
We need to make a rating scale, man.
I'd say 1 being the easiest, 5 being the hardest. I mean, well, one wrench being the easiest, 5 wrenches being the hardest.
I'd say probably 1, for sure. I mean, we used a little cheap toolkit from Walmart. It's like, what, 60 bucks?
Yes.
I mean, most people have these tools. Yeah, it took us, what, 30 minutes?
Yeah, if that.
That's with 2 sets of hands?
Yeah. So, easy peasy, and we want to shout out ISS Automotive. That's who we actually got this instrument cluster from.
Yeah, I'll put some of their information down low, like their website and whatnot.
And, like you had found out, this is a common issue with 05 to 08, so I think what we're going to do is we're going to give you guys a ride in the F250.
Yeah, man.
Because, you know, Jacob had the Focus ST for a while. Got rid of Betty White. And then he had the, what year was that Sentra? 17?
17.
2017 Nissan Sentra SR Turbo. Got rid of it. And what a lot of people don't know is he got a truck because I got a truck.
Yeah, man.
We're both running diesels. There's actually another truck here. Y'all have already seen that video. We got that Silverado. We've got that Silverado. Got the Altima Murano. The Fox body's in the back. Cliff is in the back. The Camry's in the back.
Yeah, man. So I don't have any lights on my dash, which is nice.
Yes.
My dash is actually
Turn your
running.
lights on. Yeah. Oh, everything lights up. So we got it still on this thing. This thing is bulletproof, EGR delete, oversized turbo. We don't know exactly what size it is.
No.
4-inch turbo.
Has a tuner with tunes probably already loaded onto it.
Yeah.
Unless they did something at the dealership we bought it from.
I doubt it.
I doubt it.
So, shout out to Mike and all the boys at Walker Chevrolet for that too, because we've had some issues with it since we bought it, but it hadn't been nothing we can't fix. Ready to roll?
Yes, sir.
Let's go for a ride, guys.
Windows. Yes, sir. I like that. Slide around.
That's always great.
Yeah, but if I turn toe mode, have you? Oh, shit. Yeah, man. That's what I like. 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 That's what I like.
over here. It is a rainy day here in Tennessee. Somebody gonna put it in tow mode and give it
the beans.
And we spinning at what, 40 miles an hour, all the way to 90.
All right. There's any cops watching. We were going 45 and spinning.
Yeah.
At about 4,000 RPM. Don't know what happened, but we were going pretty quick. I'm not gonna self-incriminate.
Gotta love this truck, man. Alright guys, so this is gonna be a wrap.
Yeah.
On yet another Whatever Wednesday. And once again, we do want to say thank you to ISS Automotive. Once again, it's not sponsored by no means.
No. They hooked it up though.
They emailed me, let me know that they didn't have his cluster in stock. They were having to rebuild it. So,
but they hopped on it immediately. When they got the order, they seen what they needed to ship out. They realized they didn't have it. They emailed us, which is great customer service. They let us know, hey, it's going to be delayed a little bit. We got to get one rebuilt right now. And they hopped on it, got it out to us within 2 weeks.
Yeah.
And their return time was a month. Like, their return times are crazy because, I mean, a lot of people use them.
And so, what's nice is it's got a lifetime warranty on it. So it's limited lifetime warranty. Hopefully we never have to find out how well they stand behind it. But I mean, if their customer service is this good, we ain't got no issues.
Yeah.
None. $289 is all it was.
The truck runs better. No faults at all anymore. No, the dash dying out of nowhere randomly when you hit a bump, or not even when you hit a bump. So that's great. And I guess time will tell how well their rebuilds on these dashes are. So.
All the reviews I've seen were phenomenal. Yep. Everybody loved them. Of course, obviously, Chevys have issues with instrument clusters just as well. So
yeah, we'll probably end up having to get one for that thing.
No, that one's not one of the ones that had issues. So
really?
Yeah, this is the newer ones.
The golden years.
The 99 up ones.
Yeah, that's the golden years.
Where they went to the stepper motors inside there.
Oh yeah.
But guys,
go check them out. We're not sponsored.
No, not sponsored by no means.
Maybe in the future we might be, depending on how many rebuilds we end up doing. We might have to hit them up.
We might have some Chevy stuff, some Ford stuff we need some clusters for, and they hook it up really good. So, guys, over at ISS, we thank you.
Every time, man.
Yeah. Forgot to silence my phone. But, guys, we want to thank you. We hope you like the new setup. 3 videos a week are kind of hard, and we're sorry once again for taking over 45 days off.
Yeah, it is.
I don't have a new job, but I have a new job. Yeah. Same company, same position, just a different store. So
closer to home, which is good. Which is gonna allow us to do more. Yeah. So
that's why we said, hell with it. 3 videos a week. Yeah. Let's do it. We got enough projects to do it.
We got enough stuff, enough work to do. So
So from Jacob and I to you, thank you guys. We love you.
Hit the like button, hit the notification bell, subscribe.
Definitely subscribe.
Leave a comment on what you want to see with my truck, any of the projects on our channel. And always remember,
dream big, baby. See you guys later.